Hello friends, happy new year all of you. Today showing this plant. This plant is Pune variety hibiscus. It is winter blooming flower, orange color and multi petals. Very nice flower. The potting mixture is 1:1:1, means normal soil, vermicompost, cocopeat. 3 ratio is equal. Watering, daily watering. Before 10 days ago, I had given homemade humic acid to this plant. Now thereafter 10 days, today I am given same homemade humic acid. Now I am telling you how to prepare humic acid. 100 ml rice water means stars kept in a container 1 day, means 24 hours. After 1 day, 100 ml stars and 300 ml water, plain water, mix both. I have mixed stars water and normal water, means 1:3. Today I given the humic acid, homemade humic acid. Now condition is very nice blooming, nice flowering, very nice growth. It is plant booster. Humic acid is root developer and plant booster. After 1 month I will be show the condition of my plant. Thank you friend. Will be happy and healthy. See you. Bye bye. If like my video, please subscribe my channel.